Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can install the Google Play Store and all the apps that are on the Play Store onto your Windows PC. It's a very simple process. All you need is an emulator, and for this video, I'll be showing you guys BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is a great emulator, which means it'll run like a mobile device on your PC. Once you search for BlueStacks on your favorite browser, this will pop up, and once you're in here, click on the Download BlueStacks 5 button, which means the Android apps will natively run on your device. BlueStacks 10 is something different, so make sure you click on Download BlueStacks 5, play around with it, and then go on with BlueStacks 10, which is a cloud version of the same. So once you have downloaded it, as you can see, I have already put it into download. It does take a few minutes to download. It is approximately 500 MB or so. It is not very big, so yeah, it is pretty light on the PC as well. You can play games, you can play PUBG and all the other Call of Duty type of games on your Windows PC using mouse and keyboard as input. It's a great emulator. It's very well known. It's been established for more than a decade now, and yeah, this is the installation being done of BlueStacks. So once BlueStacks has been downloaded onto your computer, you can see that now the app player is loading up. Now this is the main screen of BlueStacks. You can see all these various options on the right wherein you can toggle between them. There is a full screen mode like this, and if you want to go to the Play Store, just click on this folder and there it is. Once you're in Play Store, it's the usual. You will have to put in your Google account and sign in, and that's how you'll be able to using apps. You can click on escape to go into the windowed version, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can sign in, download all the Android apps and play around with it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.